What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other.
This guy, he just wants to help you like he said at the beginning of all his videos. Let's help each other, right? Come on.
As you saw from the thumbnail, we've got a special guest for you today. I wanted to, reach out to some of my contacts I have. As a famous YouTuber, you get to know people. You rub shoulder with the upper echelon of folks out there. So I'm going to use all my resources to help you, because that's what we're about, helping each other, right? I'm going to call Arnold. Call Arnold.
Calling Arnold Mobile.
Hello, this is Arnold.
Arnold, hey, what's going on, man? This is Cohen.
Cohen, what's going on? Wow, you almost spit out my protein shake. I'm so excited to be here with you today on the show.
That's right, I've got you on the show today. Like I told you, I was going to have you on the show. And so I just wanted to run some things by you for the guys, for the folks watching. Start with a few questions, but is there anything that you wanted to say to start off with?
First of all, I want to say, listen, everyone, this channel, TRT community, listen, it's fantastic, okay? This gives you very unbiased information on this topic, right? This guy, he just wants to help you like he said at the beginning of all his videos. Let's help each other, right? Come on. Listen, I especially love the video where he pretends like he gets the testosterone from Mexico and he starts speaking Spanish. I laugh so hard. Anyway, let's get on with it because I know that you guys want to hear what I have to say about this topic.
Yes, let's get right on with it because I wanted to ask you this because, Arnold, you've been in the industry for a long time. You know bodybuilding and weightlifting and just health in general. I get a lot of questions on my channel where guys are coming to me and wondering if they have low testosterone or not. You, though you don't struggle with low testosterone, still, you know all about it. And so, what are going to be some of the symptoms that guys are going to have when they are starting to suspect that they might have low testosterone? What can they expect that's going to be maybe a bit of a clue?
First of all, you're going to see that sometimes your energy just drops out of nowhere, okay? It just drops. It just goes away. And you don't know why. That might be one symptom of low testosterone, okay? Secondly, you're going to notice that your motivation is just not there like it used to be. You're going to sometimes think about doing things and then you're just going to say to yourself, no, I don't feel like doing that. I don't want to do it, okay? Sometimes that will happen too, so low motivation. Also, you might experience that you get the mood swings, okay? Sometimes your mood swings this way, sometimes your mood swings that way, and you don't know why. Anyway, so those three things, you might experience that if your testosterone is low.
Right. One thing I also noticed when it comes to the mood swings is that just mild depression happens sometimes, it seems, right?
That is true, yes, because the doctors sometimes don't even test the testosterone at all. They just assume that you've got depression. They give you the medicine and they just give it, and I'm like, no, don't do that. This is not what he needs. Come on.
I know I can't stand the fact that the doctors just peddle this medicine like candy, it seems, and I know that's not good for any of us, and really the guys should get their testosterone checked first before they ever delve into anti-depression medicine. I mean, right?
Absolutely.
So then, let's say someone is experiencing some of these or all of these or more symptoms, negative symptoms that could be low testosterone. What should he do? What's the first step that he should take?
A lot of guys are afraid to go to the doctor and ask the doctor about these things. But really, this is the first step. You need to get to the doctor now. You need to go. Just do it. I don't know why sometimes the guys, they don't want to go. Maybe they're afraid to talk to the doctor about these things. But listen, he's there to help you. He's your friend, okay? Alright? Maybe they're afraid of the needles or the blood work and the things like that. Listen, I get it. It's okay. You can go. You should go. Why wait another day feeling bad, right? Come on. Why would you want to do that until now? It's crazy, right? Get to the doctor. Now!
That I know, right? I sort of had a hang-up about that too. I put it off for a long time. I just dealt with my negative symptoms for really for too long, longer than I should have. And when I went to the doctor, I was so thankful because finally I got some answers. It turns out that, yeah, it was my testosterone the whole time, and there I was suffering, and I didn't have to. So my third question would be this, Arnold. A lot of people ask me questions. They leave comments on my channel because really they're just interested in getting on TRT simply for muscle gain. That industry is big for abusing testosterone, right? And so that was my question. Back when you were bodybuilding, I'm sure you were 100% natural. I know that you would never abuse anything like this. So I just want to get it out there for everybody to know. In the past, did you ever abuse testosterone? Did you ever inject it when you weren't supposed to, simply for muscle gain? Because again, that's a lot of people are interested in it just for that, and that's the wrong motive to get on, right? So, did you ever inject testosterone for muscle gain?
First of all, I want to say, wait, 1 second. I think I hear my wife calling me. Arnold, I need your help in the kitchen. Come on, come help me. That was my wife calling. You know, I got to go. Happy wife, happy life, right? Come on. Anyway, listen, we need to do this again sometime. This was fantastic. Thank you for everyone for watching, right? Anyway, I got to go because the wife is calling. Come on, mommy, hurry up. She's not as patient as I am sometimes. Anyway, I love you. I've got to go. Okay, bye.
He hung up. He's busy. I get that. Yeah, and he's got to keep his wife happy. Sure. What a treat it was to have him on, right? Wow. And he had to go. I get that. That's fine. Sorry it had to be cut so short there with Arnold. Anyway, I hope that answers some of your questions. I also want to encourage you, like he did, get to the doctor. I struggle with that too. I know, but listen, get to the doctor, and if you're even wondering about what kind of doctor you should go to, listen, I made a video all about that for you guys, right here, this one. So watch that if you have any more questions about which doctor you should go to, but at least just get to your general practice doctor, I would say, and get your blood work done, and find out once and for all if you have low testosterone or not, right? Though not a sponsor of this video, you guys may have noticed what I've got on the wrist. I've been getting into watches a bit lately, and so Spinnaker, they're not a sponsor. However, I do have an affiliate link if you're interested in learning more about their watches, which I love. I've got 2 of them actually right now. You can link down below to check out Spinnaker's website. They make great watches at really affordable prices too. I've got a code that'll get you 20% off. Here it is, TRT 20. But I think they're having a Black Friday sale, an early Black Friday sale right now too. But if you would use my link, that would really help me out. I appreciate it. Well guys, that's all I've got. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Peace.
Listen, this gives you very solid.
He wouldn't say solid. Arnold, you've been in the industry for a long time. You know when, and
you're going to find out that your enemy. You're going to sometimes think about doing things, and you think you're just going to say to yourself, "No, I don't feel like doing that. I don't want to do it." Okay, this is not what he needs. Come on, get to the doctor now.